Welcome to CONEXPO 2023. We're excited to welcome all of our customers to the show. So Donise and I are representing for all the wonderful Caterpillar services that we're offering to our customers. So come see us. We have rebuilds. We have several new apps that are launching with Cat Central, Sys2Go, Vision Link. Also, we'll be talking about the Cat Vantage Rewards program that is launching in spring of 2023. And Donise, what else do we have to share?
We have an amazing CVA listening station where you can come and jam out and learn all about CVA. We also have our hose and couplings displays as well as filters and fluids. Come and interact with us on our interactive wall as you learn about all of our parts options we have, as well as the support that we have from our dealer network and self-service options.
I'm glad to introduce the Cat Central mobile app to you today. It's a personalized app that allows you to quickly find the parts and service information that fit your asset. It's launching here at CONEXPO with Caterpillar.
Hi, my name is Norma Aldinger. Welcome to the Services Hub. And don't tell anyone our little secret. The favorite spot to be is right here. Why? Number one, need you to pull up a seat and have a listen and learn about CVAs. Customer Value Agreement. Why? We're going to rock it out together. Listen to a tune and help me vote which tune better reflects a CVA.
Good morning, I'm Zach Palmquist. I'm the Aftermarket Services Consultant for Rebuilds. Here at CONEXPO, we're going to be showing off a D6T that was recently rebuilt by Holt, Texas. It's a D6T that's had a certified powertrain rebuild plus hydraulics. It currently has about 13,700 hours on it. It's here to demonstrate that we have a large suite of solutions in the rebuild space, from a certified machine component rebuild all the way up through a complete certified machine rebuild.
Come join us at CONEXPO.
See you here soon.